My first time truck camping, below freezing, in a Jack-in-the-Box parking lot. What we're going to cover today in this video is going to be how I lit my rig so I couldn't get found out, what I ate, it was good, how I pulled it off, I had insider help, and you're going to find all that out soon, and how I slept. Why not? So stay tuned and stay posted for hashtag Codenamedprojectoverlander on my YouTube channel at Freedom to Wander. I'm CJ, and I just got photobombed. You're probably wondering why it looks like I'm in a submarine. Kind of. I'm finally not at home, and I'm camping in the back of my truck. Let me show you what I'm working with. Everything's a little bit messed up, but I got my little bed. I got a little table with some goodies in it. I got my cell phone wireless charger hanging on the window here so I can watch movies later. I have a deep cycle battery and power inverter and all that stuff, but for now I'm just using this cheap junk box that my neighbor Joe let me borrow. Thank you, Joe. And for protection, I have my good bag. You can see the insulation. I gotta get another can of spray foam to finish that off. Got that bubbly type UV reflective insulation on the ceilings that needs to be secured better. That's kind of how the paneling is going to look, just not some mismatched. And that'll be all on the roof. Some light coming in there still. Got to caulk that up, seal that. And why the red light? A, it preserves night vision. B, it makes it harder for people to see anything. So I just got a hanging little Evo headlight. See? And it's rechargeable. Just takes a C charger. Super duper bright when I want it to be, or red when I don't. So it works. Now it's just time to get warm, which I have some solutions for that. Maybe I'll show you in a minute. But I think it's kind of funny though how everybody does like their truck camping videos or overland or stealth camping or van life videos where they're like hide in a parking lot. I've got a nice big front door on mine. See that? Nice. Just got to keep my tailgate down. If somebody shuts the tailgate, I'm screwed. I'm kind of stuck. But here's my view. I'm at Jack-in-the-Box. Unlike everybody else's videos where they cook something crazy in the back of their rig or secretly eat popcorn, make popcorn all quiet like in their big Sprinter vans or whatever. My girlfriend works here. She's going to bring me some Jack-in-the-Box. So, we'll have Jack together. I haven't sharpened it yet. It's pretty dull. This is my new Gerber Machete. Not too shabby, huh? Comes with another nice, kind of soft, molded case. I like it. I don't like the way it fits inside there, but it works. You guys, you probably can't see the steam. Hold on. You can kind of see my breath a little bit. I don't know what the temperature is, but despite how cold it's not really that cold. My girl brought my food. Let's see what we got. A bag. What is this? Oh, a little taco. Another little taco. My stomach's gonna hate me tomorrow. Good thing I'm off at work. Some curly fries. Thank you, baby. Junior bacon cheeseburger. Jeez, I'm eating like a king tonight. And a chicken sandwich. Right on, right on. Good. My heart probably hates me right now, but it's good. I'm gonna keep the fries in the bag so they don't get cold and soggy. Maybe the tacos too. Save them for later. We can make a cheeseburger. So I watch and appreciate a lot of truck camping videos, overlanding videos, off-roading videos, survival stuff, with the intention of becoming a more informed and more efficient YouTuber who does truck camping, overlanding, survival stuff. That's the goal, right? And I saw a video today. It was $300 truck camping setup, DIY ultimate. And they don't talk about, they spent way more than $300. They don't talk about the time, materials, labor, the truck cap, the lighting. They don't talk about any of that stuff in their video. They did a really good job. I'm really happy that they got into it, and I support the channel, and I definitely gave them a like. However, if you watch my videos, I got everything basically for free. I'll have to tell you about how and why and what little hustle I did to get a truck cap. My truck cap was free. Everything, for the most part, probably cost me $600, and I got almost everything for free. And that's not time and nothing like that. That's me doing all the labor, $600. So think about that. If you see somebody who says that they put together a truck camping rig and they bought stuff for it and it cost them less than $3,000, they probably lied. So, but I'll have a grand total in the future. But back to the video. If I get too cold, I brought these big long red tube socks in case I get too cold. So I'm wearing shorts, but if I do get too cold, I can take these puppies right here, put them on my feet with my shorts on, and it's gonna be like I'm wearing pants. Look how big them socks are. And they're doubled over. They're like leggings. Uh-oh. Spilled a bunch of fries. Big fry. I gotta turn this recording off. I'm gonna watch a movie. Camping movie. Survival in the Wild movie. It's a pretty good one. Can't think of the channel name. The guy's got like 4 buddies with him. And they gotta be in Alaska or Minnesota or Canada. Someplace beautiful, a lot of wildlife, not a lot of pollution, and brook trout. So they do a lot of fly fishing. They're building log cabins. It's pretty cool. But not a lot of talking. There is some back and forth every once in a while in the background, but for the most part, they just went out there with packs full of tools, some basic gear and some seasoning, and some canoe and some fishing supplies. And I guess they just spent a year building up a little homestead out there. They did a really good job so far. I'm really excited to see what else they do. But I think there's some of them that go back and forth. Only one guy stays for the whole year. Because they get like wood burning stoves and furnaces and cooking equipment, and nails, screws, whatever. So chinking for their cabins. So somebody's got to be going back and forth. There's no way that 5 guys trucked all that stuff in and hewn all those logs by themselves. So I really want to see that, but I also got to get some sleep. I got 3 hours, maybe 3.5 hours of sleep last night. And I was at work this morning at 5:20. Stayed till 11 on the dot. I didn't make up the 20 minutes I was late. So, needless to say, I'm exhausted. More than I realized, I think, because, you know, get your second wind, third wind, whatever. Get used to doing 3-4 hours sleep a night. It's not healthy. And I'm not going to get 8 hours straight, because she gets off in 4 hours and 45 minutes. Gotta go to bed. Okay, so for those of you who want to know, I slept wonderfully. It was great. Wasn't long enough, but it was good. It was a deep sleep. My alarm was going off. It barely woke me up. I think my alarm went off for 10 minutes before I finally got out of the sleeping bag. I'm going to do a video on my sleeping bag if you want to know what that was like and what I used and how I survived in below freezing temperatures comfortably. Coming soon. If you have any questions, or if you would like to connect with any of my other viewers, or have any comments or suggestions, please leave a comment down in the comment section. Hit that thumbs up button. I beg you, it really does help. You know that already. You've seen a million YouTubers say it. And if you really like it and you want to see where this thing's going, hit that subscribe button. Go check out my other videos and shorts too. Some of them aren't related to off-roading stuff, but I promise I'm focusing now. We're going to be doing nothing but the camping truck build, some adventures, some product reviews hopefully soon. I've got some stuff in the works there, and a lift kit on the truck. So it's going to be really good to test that out. Hopefully we don't blow the motor in the process. But thank you all so much for watching. Have a beautiful day. God bless.